Hi, welcome back to the channel. Today we are unboxing a super handy motion sensor light for the home. It's available for just Rs 369 on Amazon. Let's remove all the packaging and check out what's inside. We have got two separate boxes for the price. So let's start with the first one. Inside, we have a motion sensor light in sleek all-white color. Next, we have some installation magnetic pads for easy mounting. Next, we have a USB cable, though it's the older micro USB type. No user manual to guide us. The second box is the same, giving us two complete sets. Now I've got the cool white light here. There's also a warm white version available. On the back, there is a spot for attaching the magnetic pads and even an option to hang it on a nail for more versatility. On the sides, there is a charging port. It takes around 2 hours to fully charge, and once charged, it can last up to 90 days on auto mode. Let's charge it up. There is a handy charging indicator that lights up too. Now, after charging, I'll switch it on, and as you can see, it's quite bright with 60 lumens output and 8 LED beads inside. There are 3 modes. First is on, wherein the light stays constantly on. There is off, simple enough, just turns off, and there is the auto mode, where the magic happens. It automatically turns on when it detects motion within a 5 to 10 feet range and turns off after 15 to 20 seconds of inactivity. So I have set it to auto left the room, and after about 20 seconds, the light turns off. As I walk back in, one light turns on as soon as it detects my motion, and as I move to the other side, the second light switches on too. Pretty impressive for the price. Now I'm going to install it on my outside staircase. First, let's attach the magnetic pad, though the adhesive isn't the best. It's definitely not 3M quality as advertised, but it should hold for now. Luckily, I found a nice pot made of iron, so I'll just attach it magnetically. No wires, no drilling, just simple installation. And boom! It works perfectly here too. Overall, I'm pretty happy with this product. It works as advertised, though the build quality and adhesive could be better. Still, for the price, it's a solid deal. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.